So I know it's a lot of steps. I mean, it's a lot of steps to get through this, but there are a lot of parts to it. That's why we're working on it on block. What we're eventually going to make today is something very similar to this, where you click the green flag. He says, hello, what should I do today? If you click basketball, nothing's really going to happen. So for today, we're just going to code soccer. But if you do click basketball, it goes to the basketball scene. So we're going to click soccer. Notice he glides down to soccer and he asks, should I dribble or kick? We're going to have him dribble. So he's dribbling the ball around. And notice it ends back where he started. If you decide you don't want to dribble but you want him to kick, he made a goal. We'll add more to this later, but that takes a lot of coding to get that. So let's get started. At the top of the screen, you're going to click Create and rename it Your Initials Multiple Sports. Your Initials Multiple Sports. I'm going to just work my way through here. Keep the scratch sprite. Change the backdrop to bedroom. Change the backdrop to bedroom. There's more than one choice. Pick one. Do I care which one you pick? No. While you're still on the stage and backdrop, click the Backdrops tab and add 2 more scenes, a soccer field and a basketball court. So we're going to add 2 more scenes. How do we do that? Make sure you're on the stage. So make sure this is the stage. Backdrops. We're going to add 2 more backdrops. So add, it said a soccer field. Or you can search soccer, or you can search goal, just as long as you know for a fact that this is the soccer. Actually, we're going to go with soccer. Pick one of the soccer fields, and basketball. You can go ahead and delete this backdrop here that's got nothing on it. Go ahead and delete it. So we're back to coding. I'm going to hit that Save Now button so I don't lose what I've done so far. So pause and get caught up. We kept sprite. We added backdrops. We went to backdrops and added 2 more scenes. Now we're going to start coding the Scratch Cat. We want him to talk by asking a question. That'll lead us to click sprites to change the scenes, but you're just going to say, use the save video. Watch the video, pause as needed, but basically what you're going to do is, when the green flag is clicked, he is going to make sure the sprite is selected. I'm so sorry, and I caught that too. Make sure the sprite is selected. When the green flag is clicked, he is going to say hello for 2 seconds. And then we're going to have him say, what should I do today? And let's leave that on for like 4 seconds. So let's click on the green flag. Hello. What should I do today? So we need to give him some choices. So let's go add some more sprites. Please use the same sprites I'm using. It will make your life so much easier. We're adding a soccer ball and a basketball. A soccer ball and a basketball. I'm going to grab the basketball and stick them down here. I'm going to grab the soccer ball and stick it over here. So add a sprite soccer ball, add a basketball soccer ball. Basketball. Okay, we're going to start with soccer ball. Select the soccer ball sprite and add the when this sprite is clicked, broadcast new message, and name it soccer. Okay, so I'm on the soccer ball. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast a new message and name it soccer. It's extremely important that you call soccer with soccer. Soccer with soccer. And there's a quick little video on how to do that. Now you're going to select the basketball sprite. Basketball sprite. Basketball sprite. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast, new message, basketball. Okay. Hit that Save Now button so we don't lose what you've done so far. So broadcasting doesn't really do anything until you tell a sprite, a character, or backdrop to do something when the message is received. So nothing happens until you tell it to do something when the message is received. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the stage or backdrop and code it to, when I receive the message, soccer. Switch the backdrop to soccer. Okay. So we're going to go to the stage and say, when I receive soccer, we're going to switch the backdrop to soccer. Okay. However, if I receive, so when I receive basketball, I'm going to switch the backdrop to basketball. Let's see if it works. Hello. What should I do today? If I click basketball, it goes to basketball. I'm going to click the flag again. If I click soccer, it goes to soccer. I'm going to hit stop and go back again. So why did it not go back? Because we need one more code. We need a when green flag is clicked, switch the backdrop to bedroom 3 or whatever bedroom we have selected. And that's what we just did right here. So we want to fix it so if someone clicks the soccer ball sprite, it goes to the soccer scene and hides the basketball so you no longer see it as clickable. So we're going to select the soccer ball. So I selected the soccer ball. We want the soccer ball to appear when the original stage loads. So when the green flag is clicked, we want it to show. So we're on the soccer ball. When the green flag is clicked, we want it to show up. Okay. If someone clicks the soccer ball, we still want it to show. So we're going to do one more thing. We're going to add another event. When the soccer ball is clicked, you still want it to show. However, if somebody clicks the basketball, we want it to hide. So when I receive basketball, hide. So it could be when this sprite is clicked, or it could be when this sprite, when I receive the code for soccer. You know what? Let's switch it to that. When I receive soccer, we still want it to show. Okay, let's see if it's working. I click the green flag, it goes back to the bedroom. What should I do today? Soccer ball. Let's go back to the green flag. I click basketball. Notice the soccer ball disappeared. I go back to the green flag. So we need to add those same things to the basketball. So when the sprite is clicked, when the green flag is clicked, we want it to show up. When we receive basketball, we want it to show up. When I receive soccer, we want it to hide. So let's see how it's doing. Click the green flag. When I click basketball, the soccer ball disappeared. Back to the green flag. When I click soccer, the basketball disappeared. Back to the green flag. If you haven't saved in a while, hit the save button. Alright, so for the rest of our time on this video, we're going to stay on the soccer scene. The hardest thing to remember is we have to tell each sprite what to do when people interact with the app. For example, if someone clicks the soccer ball, we want the scratch sprite to move to the soccer ball as if it's ready to kick it. Scratch sprite. I hope I remember to edit that last part out. So again, we're coding the soccer scene. The hardest thing to remember is we have to tell each sprite what to do when people interact with the app. So if someone clicks the soccer ball, we want the scratch sprite to move to the soccer ball as if it's ready to kick it. So when someone clicks the soccer ball, we have to broadcast a message so that the cat knows what to do. So first things first, because we're adding some movement, I recommend adding a go to x is 0, y equals 0 to the when green flag is clicked for the scratch cat. So let's go to the scratch cat. Because we're going to be doing some movement, we're going to add a movement above the say hello. We're going to add a movement above the say hello so it knows to always go back here. Okay. When the sprite is clicked, we're broadcasting soccer. So let's go back to the cat. When I receive soccer, what do I want the cat to do? I want the cat to move right there. So I'm going to add a glide to that for 2 seconds. Cross your fingers and let's hope it works. Hit the flag. Hello. What should I do today? You should go to soccer. Notice it changes the scene and he goes to soccer. Excellent. So he glides to that. Now we should have him say, hey, what do you think I should do? We'll do that in a minute. So let's go to the soccer ball. On the soccer ball, let's add some new code to the soccer ball. So when this sprite is clicked, we've got a broadcast soccer. I'd like for it to do a little spinning too. So let's add some control and let's let it turn 15 degrees. Play your video. So, hello, what should I do today? It starts spinning. Didn't spin much. I'm probably going to have it repeat like 40 times just so it gets some more movement in. So again, hello, what should I do today? You should go play soccer. And you can have it repeat more. That's up to you. Okay, so got the cat there. He's getting ready to go play soccer. As of right now, if I click the green flag, Scratch says hi, asks a question. If I click the soccer ball, the scene changes to soccer. Scratch moves to the soccer ball and the ball spins around. Perfect. So we're going to stay on this scene. It says add the 2 soccer ball images below to the app. So we're going to save those 2 images, save them, and upload them as sprites. I've already downloaded them. Remember, I'm on a PC, so things work a little differently for me than they do for you. And I have them both selected. Okay. Add the 2 soccer balls below. Resize to approximately 50% of their current size and place them in the top corners. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to change its size to 50% and stick it in the corner. I'm going to click on this one, change its size to 50% and stick it in the corner. I'm going to call this one kick and this one dribble. Again, this one kick, this one dribble. Save. Okay, now I need you to code them. We want to code them to hide when the green flag is clicked. Why? Because right now they're up here at the top and that looks tacky. So we want to hide them when the green flag is clicked. So I'm going to click on one of them. Events, when green flag is clicked, hide. I'm going to click on the other one. When green flag is clicked, hide. Let's go ahead and play them. See, they're gone right now. They're still gone. So what I need to do, when soccer gets clicked and broadcast, we need those pictures to show up. So when I receive soccer, show up. Let's do that for the other one. When I receive, when I receive soccer, show up. Hit the green flag, and again, they're not there at the top right now. I'm going to click soccer. It's going to broadcast soccer. Scratch moves, and they show up. Okay. Let's go back to Scratch and let's add some stuff. So when Scratch receives soccer, let's have him say or think for like 2 seconds. Should I kick or dribble? Let's play it again. Should I kick or dribble? Okay, let's go work on... If someone clicks the kick, you need to have it broadcast kick. Then the soccer ball sprite needs to move around. Okay, let's do this slowly. I'm going to click on the broadcast for kick. Here we go. When the kick sprite is clicked, we're going to broadcast a new message called kick. Let's go to the soccer ball. When I receive kick, I want it to go there. So I'm going to add a motion and glide to that specific position for 2 seconds. Just because I'm happy that I made a goal, I'm going to now have it repeat 40 times a turn. So let's start over and see what's going on. I didn't move the ball back to where its starting position is. So I'm going to stop it, click the green flag, and I need to have it set to when the green flag is clicked, it needs to go to that position. So let's try it again. Hello. What should I do today? You should play soccer. Should I kick or dribble? Let's kick. Congratulations. So, because the ball is randomly moving around, you should have it go to a specific location before kicking and after dribbling. So, before I kick, it should glide to that position. Which is what we have it do here. So I'm going to add one more time a go to 198 and negative 137, or whatever these numbers are. So let's try it again. And it goes to where it's supposed to go. Great. Let's code dribble. So I'm going to click on the dribble icon. And here we go. When this sprite is clicked, we're going to broadcast a new message, dribble. When I do the new broadcast dribble, I want it to go back to that specific location. So I'm going to go get the numbers again for the soccer ball. 198, negative 137. So when this sprite is clicked, what do we want it to do? We're on dribble. Have it broadcast dribble. Now the soccer ball, when you get the dribble broadcast, it needs to glide around the screen. So we're back to the soccer ball. When I receive dribble, I want it to glide to random positions around the screen. And then I want to, when it's all done gliding, I want it to go to that number again right there. 198, negative 137. Soccer. Should I kick or dribble? So we know kick makes a goal. What about dribble? And make sure after it glides, again, it also returns back to the same location. And you're done for now.